Hey guys, Lance here. And so for today's Medicare Q&A, we're going to take a look at Medicare Supplement Plans and just give a brief explanation about these. So first I want to start off with Medigap or Medigap Supplement. So Medigap is a Medicare Supplement Insurance that helps fill in the gaps in original Medicare. And this is something that is sold only by private insurance companies. So it's not offered by the government. So original Medicare pays for a lot, but not everything. And it doesn't pay for a lot of the costs of covered healthcare services and supplies. So a Medicare supplement insurance policy can help pay for some of those remaining healthcare costs. And these would be things like co-payments, coinsurance, deductibles. So it can be a very helpful supplement to have to go along with original Medicare. So here's some things to know. First is coverage. Medigap's policy only supplements the original benefit. So it doesn't replace, it's in addition to, it supplements it. Also for payment. The Medigap payment is additional to Part B's premium. So there is an additional cost. And regarding policies, Medigap only covers one person. So it's not going to cover a family, it's not going to cover a couple. And then for renewal, the insurance company can't cancel your policy. So that's important to know. If something happens in a person's life, a health challenge, they don't have to worry about their policy ever being canceled. And then as far as requirements, you must have Medicare Part A and Part B in order to get Medigap. You're not able to just get Medigap by itself or have Part A and then get Medigap. You need to have Part A and Part B, which is also called Original Medicare. Then you're eligible to be able to get Medigap if you choose. And then for acquisition, something to keep in mind is you can only buy one if you have a Medicare Advantage plan. So again, these are some things to keep in mind regarding Medigap. It can be kind of confusing. So again, just wanted to give you a brief overview of some things to be aware of for Medigap insurance. So one of the most important things you can do as a Medicare beneficiary is to upgrade your benefits as often as you can, or at least be reevaluating them as often as you can. And it's actually easier than you might think. So with plans and benefits updating year after year, if you're not reviewing your coverage regularly, you could be missing out on some important benefits that are offered by the major providers in your state. For example, oftentimes these providers will compete with each other to try and offer better benefits, and this can happen on a yearly basis. So bringing your current Medicare plan up to date can be kind of daunting. It can be kind of confusing, trying to figure out which one might actually be the best for you. But fortunately, there is a super simple way to get the most recent benefits without having to call millions of companies or even spending endless amounts of time scrolling through the internet. So Qualified Medicare is a completely free, it's a no obligation helpline to give anyone on Medicare the information they need to take advantage of all these benefits. So if you're wondering if there are better plans available or worried that you may not fully understand your current Medicare plan, or you're just kind of curious as to what other benefits you could get at no extra cost, well then you can go ahead and again call this toll-free Medicare hotline number, which is on the screen here. Also, we'll put the phone number down in the description below. And then one of the licensed agents will be happy to answer any questions you might have and basically help you find the best coverage that's available for you and for your particular situation, because it actually is very easy to switch your plan on the spot, again, if it's in your best interest. And that's even if it's outside of the annual enrollment period. So ultimately, if you do have any additional questions or if you'd like additional help, first, don't hesitate to leave a comment down below. We love getting to answer and try and help out as much as we can. I'll include any additional resources in the description as well, including the number to the hotline where you can call and speak to someone and get all of your questions answered that way so they can listen to you and your situation and help you figure out what's going to be best for you. But otherwise, thanks so much for your time. Really appreciate you guys watching. Hopefully this was helpful, and I'll look forward to seeing you in the next video.